Hello, and welcome to the Mosaic 4D tablet remote tutorial. Today, I'm going to walk you through the ins and outs of the Mosaic tablet to better understand how to use it and to get the most out of your massage chair.
This video will be broken up into 6 different segments:
Powering on your chair,
the home screen, and the in-use screen;
starting in the auto program,
creating a manual massage,
running the SootheMe sound therapy in your chair,
additional system settings, and finally, pairing Bluetooth devices.
Let's begin by turning on the tablet remote by pressing the power button located on the top edge of the tablet. This will boot up the tablet and display a yellow warning screen. Please read it thoroughly, and when finished, tap the red "Tap Here to Confirm" button to continue. This will bring up the home screen. Here, you'll find the options for operating the massage chair: auto, manual, adjustments, sounds, and system. Additionally, there is another power button on the top right-hand corner. This will turn the chair off. While the program is running, the massage chair will show an in-use screen. The in-use screen will display the current program, the remaining time in the massage, the intensity of the 4D rollers, the heat settings, the foot roller indicator, the calf roller indicator, active airbag zones, and current position of the roller along the massage track. From the in-use screen, you can navigate back to the home menu, access the adjustments menu, and access the airbags menu. Here, when setting the airbag regions, you can select full body, shoulder, waist, arm, leg, and foot.
You can select more than one single region at a time. You can also navigate to the home screen, the adjustment screen, pause the massage, or return to the in-use screen.
While the program is running, at the bottom of the screen,
there's the adjustments button.
This can adjust the 4D intensity, kneading speed and tapping speed, and airbag intensity. Tapping each of these once will increase the intensity of the selected feature, and then at full intensity, tapping it once more will cycle it back to the lowest setting.
Note: kneading and tapping speed can only be adjusted in a manual program.
Here, you are also able to make adjustments to the chair position.
You can adjust the incline of the chair by holding the backrest up or backrest down button until the chair is adjusted to the desired position. You can also change the height of the footrest
by holding leg up or leg down, along with moving the footrest in or out by holding down the foot in or foot out buttons. You can set the chair to zero gravity position, either position 1 or position 2, by pushing zero gravity position 1 or zero gravity position 2 on this screen. If you want to turn zero gravity position off, select zero gravity off.
Now, let's take a look at the auto programs. Navigate to the home screen by tapping the home button, then tap auto.
Mosaic 4D contains a number of pre-built auto programs that can be used immediately after the chair is set up. To enter the program you desire, tap the screen. After any massage program is selected,
you'll be taken to the body scanning screen. The chair will automatically scan your body, mapping your back, shoulders, and neck. Wait for the shoulder adjust prompt to appear, and if needed, use the back adjustment buttons to move the massage rollers up or down to fine-tune the perfect shoulder kneading position. Press OK for the massage to begin. Try out the 14 programs to find your favorite.
Now, let's return to the main menu and explore the manual settings. In the home screen, select Manual. This will bring up the manual screen. Here you can set the massage technique. You can select from kneading, shiatsu, Swedish, knocking, tapping, or rolling.
You can select the technique a second time to enter a faster variation of that technique. Note: number in top right corner represents active variation. Rolling has only one speed. You can also set the focus massage zone, which will allow you to select
point, partial, or fullback. Fullback will travel the entire length of the massage track.
Partial will travel a short distance and reverse direction for focused relief, and point stops on the track for targeted relief.
In the partial or point modes, use the back mechanism adjustment buttons to control the location of the back mechanism, either moving the rollers up or down along the track. To further adjust the back mechanism, you can change the width of the rollers. Choose from either narrow, medium, or wide.
Note, width cannot be adjusted in the kneading or Swedish modes.
Under the additional section of the manual massage menu, there are settings for heat therapy, calf rollers, and foot rollers. These will turn on or off each of those respective settings. Finally, in customizing your massage, there are settings for the air compression massage. This will bring up a list of regions that can be turned on or off. There's full body, shoulder, waist, arm, leg, and foot. Moving on to part 4, the SootheMe Sounds. Return to the home menu and select Sounds to bring up the list of SootheMe nature sounds. At the top of the screen, Sound Off will turn the sounds off. If you want the sounds on, select one of the sounds to turn on. There's also a full list of the included nature sounds. This includes white noise, ocean surf, crickets, rain, nature, airplane, car ride, fireplace, thunderstorm, and windy night. On the right side of the screen,
there are options for voice demo, which will talk you through the functionality of the chair in the demo program. Touch tone,
which will control whether you receive an audible feedback after tapping the screen to select the setting.
Bluetooth, which will toggle the chair's Bluetooth settings. If this is turned on, you can open the Bluetooth settings from your preferred Bluetooth-enabled device
and pair it with the Mosaic 4D massage chair to play music through the chair speakers. Bluetooth also needs to be enabled for the SootheMe nature sounds to play through your chair.
And finally, volume control for the chair speakers is in the bottom right corner of this page.
Lastly, let's look at the additional system settings, which can be accessed from the system option in the home screen. Here you can change the system's language. The options are English or Chinese.
You can also change the screen brightness and toggle sleep mode for your chair.
If sleep mode is enabled, when the chair finishes a program,
the chair will remain in its reclined position. If sleep mode is disabled,
the chair will return to the upright position when the massage program ends. Next, you can set the length of the massage by selecting the desired time. This will set the current massage program to this length. And finally, engineering mode. This is for tech support
should your chair need servicing. Now let's pair your phone to the chair so you can play and enjoy your favorite songs, audiobooks, podcasts, and more through the chair's Bluetooth speakers. Make sure that Bluetooth is enabled in the Sounds menu on the Mosaic tablet remote. Now make sure you have Bluetooth enabled on your Bluetooth device. If Bluetooth is already on, your device will automatically detect the Bluetooth-enabled massage chair around you. Select Mosaic 4D in the Available Devices section of your Bluetooth settings and ensure that the connection went through. Now you should be connected to the chair's speakers and you are ready to enjoy your favorite music. That concludes the tablet remote tutorial video for your Mosaic 4D massage chair. With a clear understanding of the remote settings, layout, and functions, you can now take full advantage of the benefits of your new premium massage chair and truly maximize your massages. Enjoy your chair, and thank you for being a part of the Infinity family.